Good news! Our new Accommodations and Emergencies modules are out, and they'll help you organize your cabin planning and emergency protocols. Accommodations is a cloud ship manager app that runs directly on your vessels. With it, your crew has the power to assign cabins and bunks to individual seafarers, manage tasks like cleaning and room maintenance, and work around scheduling or work shift conflicts. Thanks to our cabin planning view, your seafarers get a comprehensive overview of all available rooms and bunks and can easily keep track of everything. When you're cruising the high seas, it's always good to come prepared. Our Emergencies module runs in the office and on board. With it, your office staff can define emergency categories and related mandatory duties that must be carried out in the case of an emergency and assign them to individual vessels or the whole fleet. They also specify the muster locations for any duty. Your crews then allocate these duties to specific seafarers and can even create their own duties based on available categories and muster locations that are specific to the vessel. All hands abandon ship? Don't worry. We now have lifeboat management. Just add all your lifeboats in the settings and assign your seafarers to specific boats. Now everyone knows where to go in case of an emergency. If you're interested in our new modules, visit cloudfleetmanager.com for more information.